Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art.
Now the only remaining thing is the border. So I'm start with the lotus. As usual, I'm doing the center part, the center bottom part, and followed by the other petals. See, from starting to end, my whole speed is not increased. So from the starting to the end of this painting, you need to be very consistent according to your speed, so that the pressure is similar in whole painting. It will give the whole painting a very even look and it will be very pleasant to the eyes. Again, I am repeating the whole procedure, that if you have 3D outliner, it's great, you can use it for the Meenakari painting. If you don't have, you make the cone, you make the paste using the marble powder and the chalk powder, and then you can start doing the cone work. It's simple and it will give the same result. Only the step is remaining is you have to add it the gold acrylic over the cone work. As it is a gold outliner, you don't need any kind of extra acrylic work. I am trying to make each and every step very clear to you. If you have any doubt, Don't forget to ask me. You can even mail me, or you can ask me any question by commenting in any video. Also, don't forget to write a quick review so that I can see how you are feeling about this course. Now I am just making straight line at the portion of the border. After this is done, our lining work would be complete. We are almost over to this part. We have successfully done the 3D lining work. We will meet again in the next video with Meenakari work and the color work.
Forms, you are welcome to do that. You just need to go to the description box and fill out this Google form. You have to write your name, your WhatsApp number, as well as the classes you are willing to attend. The classes date and timings will be notified you very soon. Make sure you press the submit button.